We all know how crucial it is for students to receive prompt and personalized feedback. Well, thanks to AI, I've got this game-changing spreadsheet secret to share with you. It'll provide your students with unique, tailored feedback while saving you precious hours. And it works all within Google Sheets, so you never have to leave your markbook. Let's check it out. This is my markbook for Year 11s, but don't worry because it's all just made up data. We have here the student details at the beginning, and then along here, we have what the students have achieved based on the headings above. We have a final grade, which is just a quick calculation, but what I really want to show you is right towards the end. But first, go to extensions, add-ons, and then get add-ons. Search for coefficient, and then install it. Once you've got that up and running, you can use GPT within your spreadsheet. Now the prompt we're going to use is this one over here. Equals GPTX, and then in double quotation marks, I want you to create a report card, provide positive, constructive criticism, and suggest improvements for future reports. And then this part here is the name, followed by the final grade, and then trues and falses. Press enter, give it a moment to load, and we can see here Mia has demonstrated strong understanding. However, there is room for improvement. Overall, Mia has achieved a merit grade for the report. Quick, easy, and if we copy that down, we can see that everyone now has a unique comment. We've got some errors here. All we need to do to fix those errors is delete it and then Control D to copy it from above. But again, it will be unique to Juan. Once we're happy with it, Control Shift down, Control C, Control Shift V, and that's been hard pasted in, so we can now go in, make a few adjustments to our report, and we're good to go. And that's all there is to it. Add it to your spreadsheet, give it a customized prompt, and save yourself hours of work.